MOD Vanilla has officially arrived. Heading to the gym. Favorite part of the day because it's that hour and a half where you just get to zone out, sweat, just like that de-stressor. I never thought I would appreciate going to the gym, and now I look forward to it. In case you're new here, I'm Christine and this channel is dedicated to beauty, lifestyle, vlogs. We're currently participating in Vlogmas, but here we call it Chicmas. If that's something you might be interested in, would greatly appreciate it if you would please subscribe. Let's choose, let's choose a fragrance. We don't want to be too potent since it's the gym. It's gonna be mixing with sweat, which sounds gross, but you know, that's the real deal. So we're just gonna go with one of my favorites for the gym, Clean Reserve Skin. Very light, all around scent that you could wear every day. Not strong. It's very clean smelling. But before we head out, we need to put something else together. Saw my friend Lizzie, What Will Lizzie Do, last year do this. We are putting together a basket in general for all of the delivery people or whoever passes by the front door. They can always pick up something from here just to show your appreciation. Some water, some chips, because this is all that we have right now, but I think they'll like it, I hope. There we go. Let's bring it outside. I know it's already a little bit late, but that's okay. There we go. Let's put it on the other side. I think that's good. The other day we were watching the news and we saw in our area that there's a little kid, he's probably about like 7 or 8 years old, and a parent or sibling, they are following the delivery drivers and then in turn stealing the packages off of the front porch. 2 instances where they caught it on camera. So now whenever I hear the camera ping that there's somebody at the door or there's a package that was delivered, I make sure to get it right away because it's crazy, you know, that stuff is happening. And it's also unfortunate. I mean, this is like a kid and whoever the driver is, which is horrible. You know, they're teaching them that this is the way how to do things, is to steal. Terrible, terrible, terrible. We are parked.
How are you? I was so confused.
Sorry.
How long were you sitting here?
We just got here. Like a minute. Damn.
I bought you 2.
Thank you.
It's in my lunchbox. I bought a new charger too, so I'll give you.
I found the other charger.
It's alright, I bought a new one.
Okay.
It's already too late. Thanks for finding it. Oh.
It's time for tea with Tin. Day number 5 with our tea advent calendar. Day number 5. What do we have? Oh my gosh, it's ube tea! Ube is essentially purple yam. I don't smell ube. Pretty she looks. Ooh, that purple. It looks kind of blue. Thank you, Darren, for filming that. And then let's go ahead and open day number 5 with our Hello Kitty and Friends advent calendar. It's right up here. Oops. Oh shoot. Dang, I think I destroyed that. Gummies! Karopi. Looks very cute. Which one do you want? Because we have Hello Kitty, My Melody.
I'll just take
Hello.
one duplicate.
Okay. You know, we'll eat karopi. Yeah, it dissolved really quickly. There's no aroma coming from this tea. Do you want to smell it? You know what ube smells like.
I don't smell anything.
Right?
No, nothing.
Yeah! You could taste the flavor. There's just no aroma. This is a good tea. 5 out of 5 because you guys know I'm just a lover of ube. We need to actually unbox a package that, holy crap, that just arrived today. Unbox this with you because Ariana Grande released.
An open box will be made by cutting a square from each corner of a 10 centimeter by
Alexa, stop.
If you guys have an Alexa, does she just all of a sudden go crazy and start talking out of nowhere? Because ours has been doing that. There was one time nobody was upstairs and all of a sudden she was talking. Freaked me out. Like I was saying, Ariana Grande just released 2 new fragrances. There's MOD Vanilla and MOD Blush. It's supposed to be inspired by the 70s. The packaging really intrigued me. I watched some reviews on YouTube because there was a really expensive gift set with minis of her fragrances. I think it was supposed to be an advent calendar. They said that MOD Blush smelled familiar, but MOD Vanilla would be their pick of the 2. Free gift with purchase. I forgot how much. If you spent over, I think 50, you get a free blush throw. We have MOD Vanilla. Ooh, look at this. Okay, let's take off the wrapper first so there's no glare. MOD Vanilla packaging. This isn't, ooh, this isn't going to be a smell test. We're going to wear it tomorrow. And let's see, MOD Vanilla. Ooh, she's sleek. How do you open it? Ooh. So I guess you just twist it off. Upon first sniff, it has a little bit of the DNA of cloud. The real test is when you apply it to the skin and the dry down. What did you say?
I was holding it. Can you see?
Yeah.
I was holding it like this and then I smelled it. And I was like, what? Is this a mouse? Seriously, what is the design? Can you put it back on? I want to see what it's supposed to look like.
It's supposed to be like from the 70s. You know, it's got kind of like that groovy.
Now it's one of those like big mouses. Like, look, it's one of those. It's like one of those bigger ones.
Oh, the ergonomic mouse.
Yeah, the ergonomic mouses. Look at it. See?
Yeah, we're trying this out tomorrow, but here's MOD Vanilla. Let me know if you are picking up MOD Vanilla or MOD Blush, or if you already received it. What are your thoughts on it? I think it doesn't even hit the Ulta stores until the 8th or the 9th. Although MOD Blush would fit the whole room aesthetic perfectly, that's the fragrance. Felt like I needed to actually smell it in store to see if I'm gonna invest in a full size bottle. But ooh, this smells really creamy. We are heading out tomorrow morning, so it's going to be a busy day. Thank you as always so much for joining me, hanging out with me today. Appreciate your time so very much, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 6.